so today we are going to go over how to use the printer codes that you just got when printing and copying from your computer. The first step is going to be to open the document that you want to print. From here, you're going to click on File, then you'll go down to Print. Make sure that under Printer, you're choosing a printer. I'm going to send this one to the library. Then you select Print. When you select Print, it's going to ask you for your user ID. Your user ID is the 3-digit number that you received earlier today. For the passcode, you can keep that blank. Then you click OK. Alright, so now we're going to look at how you can print something from your MacBook. First thing you're going to do is you'll open up your document and then you'll go into File, Print. When you do print, you're first going to select your printer. So I want to print in the library. Then you are going to go to Copies and Pages and you're going to change that so that it says Xerox Features. This will enable you to go down to the paper/output, choose Advanced, and from here you'll go down to Configuration and you'll click Accounting. When you click Accounting, make sure that the accounting system says Send User ID Only and that the accounting prompt is set to Always Prompt. You're going to mask your user ID and you're going to mask your account ID and leave all of these default options blank. And then you'll select OK. Then you are going to go back up to Presets and you are going to choose Save Current Settings as Preset. When you do that, make sure that you name this Xerox. In my case, it already exists. Then make sure that it says Preset Available for all printers. And then you'll choose OK. Now from here, I can simply select Print, and it's going to ask me for my code. Then I click OK. Alright, so now the document that I just printed, we're going to go and pick that up from the printer. So now, my document printed. The next thing that we're going to go over is how to make a copy. To make a copy, you put the paper in based on what the picture says. So in this case, I'm going to have the text up. And then you're going to choose Copy on the printer. This is where it's going to ask you for your user ID, which is the same 3-digit number that you use for printing. Once it does that, you're able to select how many jobs you want and say I want 2. You'll also see that your name appears in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So after you choose the quantity that you want to print, you press Start. When you finish making copies, make sure that you choose the log in and log out option, because if you don't, then somebody else can come up and make copies using your copy code, which will take away from your copy limits. And that is how we print and make copies.